Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Trucking Equipment. Today we're going to do a walk around on this 2020 Hino 155. It's a 14.5 GVW truck. But before we jump into that walk around, we want to make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So every time we put new equipment on, you'll be notified and you can check it out. We bring these trucks in from our customers' trade-ins or from our leasing company. We do a 150-point check. We go through the cabs, bodies, lift gates, tires, brakes, engine, transmission fluids. Any discrepancies that are found, we run them through our medium shop and our body shop. Once that's done, we do a QC, test drive, clean up, and put them online for our customers to look at. As we said, this is a 2020 Hino 155. And on top of that 150-point check, we have done the engine oil filter, fuel and air filters. And this truck has factory powertrain warranty left on it. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As we get into the truck, plenty of places to grab hold with most cab forward trucks. You can see this truck's in really good shape. It's got the great outward visibility and upward visibility being a low cab forward. It's a lot smaller footprint truck with the same size body on it than a conventional truck, a whole lot easier to drive. It's diesel automatic. This truck does have AM, FM, CD, air conditioning, cruise control, and this truck does have a nice feature of the powered mirrors. The large mirrors on the doors are powered and heated, so your driver can adjust them from the driver's seat. And you can see with it being a 2020, this truck's in really great shape, so it'd be a nice ride for you guys to get in and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Hino is Toyota's commercial vehicle. So when you purchase a Hino, you're getting Toyota's dependability and their reliability that they're known for worldwide. A lot of times you start looking at trucks, they're all beat up in bad shape. This truck's in really nice shape. It's got good rubber. It's a Southern truck. Not much rust on it. And this truck could go dock to dock, ground to dock, or dock to ground with this nice tuck-away lift gate. It's 84 inches wide, 40 inches deep. As we come up, it mounts up perfect. This is a 16 85/96 wide van body. It's got the 2 rows of E-track. We've got the hardwood Apatong slats and scuff on the bottom. It's got full plywood across the top. It's got a really nice aluminum roof in it, LED dome light for those late afternoon, early morning deliveries, and the laminated hardwood floor in this truck's in really good shape. And the lift gate works just as good going down as it did going up. A lot of our customers come into Industrial Power wanting to get into the delivery business, not really knowing what size truck they need. We have the smaller 16 foots like this, 1820s up to the 26s, and vocational vocational bodies also. So we have a very large selection. And even though this truck is in really good shape, we can still wrap the body and the cab if you'd like, with your name, your graphics, your designs, phone number, turning that fuel money to advertising money while you're going down the road. Again, we've got a really nice 2020 Hino 155 14.5 GVW truck. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, and make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be aware of new product we put out. Stick with us for a second. We're going to pop the hood or tilt the cab on this truck. We're going to start it up and give you a little more intimate walk around. And as always, we appreciate your time.